expert partners. So I'll be presenting the only Ramsar site of Tripura, that is Rudrasagar wetland. So a little bit of the background about the lake. Rudrasagar Lake is a natural sedimentation reservoir which receives flow from 3 inlets and there is 1 outlet. In 1951 there were 1,000 fishermen who were rehabilitated in Rudrasagar area and they were given fishing rights. Until now the lake is under the name of that, there is one Rudrasagar Udbastu Matsyajivi Samabhai Samiti. So the owner of the lake is that Fishermen Cooperative Society. And the lake was under the control of Fishery Department. So in the year 1998, they submitted one proposal to MOFCC regarding desiltation. They needed some fund for desiltation activities in the, but later on, like it was considered under Ramsar site, and Ramsar site was declared in 2007, and the area of the Ramsar site is 240 hectare of the lake, and actual lake area is actually 800 hectare. So like Meghalaya, in Tripura also there was one writ petition. So in that writ petition, it was directed by Honorable Court that we need to ensure the free flow of water from the inlet rivers and restrict the outflow of water from the lake by construction of sluice gate.